In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Miro account using Google. Let's dive in. To start, make sure you're connected to the internet and open up your preferred web browser. Head over to the Miro website. Miro is an incredible online collaborative whiteboarding platform, perfect for brainstorming sessions and project collaborations. Once you're on the Miro homepage, look for the button that says Sign Up Free. Click on it to start the registration process. This will bring you to a page where you'll choose how you'd like to sign up. You have several options here: work email, Google, Office 365, or even through Slack. Today we'll focus on setting up with a Google account, which is quick and convenient if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Select the Google option and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, you'll see a list of accounts. Choose the one you want to associate with Miro. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your Google credentials. Miro integrates seamlessly with Google, allowing you to manage your projects with ease. After selecting your Google account, you'll be redirected to a consent screen. Here, Miro will request access to certain Google services to enable integration. You'll see an option labeled Select All, which you should click to give the necessary permissions. This step ensures that Miro has all it needs to operate smoothly in conjunction with your Google account, enhancing your collaboration capabilities. Once you've done this, click on the Continue button. This will finalize your account setup and you'll be transported into your new Miro workspace, a digital blank canvas ready for your ideas. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Miro account. As you begin to explore Miro, you'll find it rich with features designed to support your creativity and teamwork. From sticky notes to drawing tools and the ability to import images and files, Miro is designed to be as flexible and intuitive as possible. Additionally, Miro's interface is user-friendly, paving the way for you to focus on your projects without worrying about technical hurdles. If you're working within a team, don't forget to take advantage of its collaboration tools. You can invite team members, assign tasks, and interact in real time, no matter where you are in the world. Miro is a powerful tool for syncing your team's efforts, keeping everyone on the same page, and promoting a productive workflow. Remember, effective collaboration can vastly improve your project's success and engagement. With Miro set up, you're all set to begin your creative journey. Enjoy the endless possibilities that Miro offers, and may your projects be as visionary and engaging as you've imagined. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.